You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power steering, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.